In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Klaviyo, specifically focusing on a full page sign up form for email marketing. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, making it an efficient way to enhance your email marketing efforts. To begin, open your web browser and type in www.klaviyo.com to access the Klaviyo website. Once there, look for the login button. It should be easy to spot on the home page. Click on it and log into your Klaviyo account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here you'll see various options, but you want to click on Sign Up Forms. This will take you to the section where you can manage all things related to sign-up forms. Next, look for the Create Form button. Clicking this will give you the option to choose Create New Sign-up Form, so go ahead and select that. Now it's time to decide on the form type. For our purpose today, select Full Page. This form type is perfect for a landing page dedicated solely to capturing email subscriptions, offering your audience a simple and focused way to sign up. The next step involves naming your form. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose, as this will help keep your forms organized. Also, at this point, you'll need to select the Klaviyo list where new subscribers will be added. This step is crucial because it connects the form with the database where you'll manage your subscribers. Now comes the creative part, customizing your form's design and content. Klaviyo offers a form editor where you can add various blocks such as email fields, phone number fields, and more. You can also dive into customizing the style. This includes adjusting colors, adding images, and ensuring that the form aligns with your brand's visual identity. A well-designed form not only captures attention, but also enhances the user experience, leading to potentially higher conversion rates. After you're satisfied with your design, click on Save to keep your changes, and then go ahead and publish the form. Publishing it makes your form live and ready to collect signups. The final step is to embed the form on your website. Once your form is published, Klaviyo will give you an embed code. Take this code and paste it into the HTML of the page on your website where you want the sign up form to appear. It's often best placed on a dedicated landing page to optimize user engagement and conversion. Don't forget to test your sign up form after embedding it, ensuring it functions correctly, and take the opportunity to make any enhancements for better performance. And there you have it, a fully functional landing page for collecting email subscriptions through Klaviyo, all set up in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.